Hello, welcome back to Twi Classroom. My name is Kwejo, Midende Kwejo. We are continuing with our Twi pronunciation lessons, and today we are looking at one of the important areas in Twi pronunciations, and that is the diagraphs. There are 9 diagraphs in the Twi language, and once you master these diagraphs, you will be able to pronounce any Twi word that you come across. So once again, I encourage you to practice along. And I also entreat you to watch the previous lessons on the sounds of the alphabet as well as the combination of the consonants and the vowels. And you are good to go. So let's begin with the first diagraph in the Twi language. So we have Twi, Twi. So the word here is adwene, adwene. So we pronounce together adwene, adwene, adwene. Then we have ajuma, ajuma. So together ajuma, ajuma. And ajuma means work or job. So Twi. So you hear the diagram. Twi, Twi. Good. Then we have jare, 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 jare. So you can simply say, Miko jare, I'm going to bath. Jare, jare. Then we have jane, jane. So jane means to run away. Jane, jane. Then we go to the next diagraph, which is the G and Y. But when they meet, they give us a different sound. And they give us J sound in English. That is J, J, J. So the key word here is anije, anije. So we pronounce together anije, anije. Good. Then we have J, J. So J means to take. So if I have something and I'm giving it to you, I will say J, J. So we hear the diagram. Ch, ch. So J. Then we have Jai, Jai. And Jai means to stop. Jai, Jai, Jai. Then we have the next diagram. And that is so this one sounds like you pronouncing which, whether, when. So whe, whe. Good. So the key word here is she, she, she. So she means to see or to look. She. And then we have a she, she, a she, she. So pronounce together a she, she, a she, she. Good. Then we move to the next diagram, which is the h and y put together, and they sound as sh in English, which is sh, sh, as if you are pronouncing she, ship. So you have sh, sh, sh. So the key word here is she, she. So she means to wear. She, she. And then we have she, she, she. So she means to bend. She, she. Good. Then we have she, ra, shi, ra. So pronounce together. Shra, shra. So shra means to bless. Shra, shra. Good. Then the next diagram, which is the k and we put together, and they sound as kwa, 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 kwa. Good. So the tree word here is aquada, aquada. So we pronounce it together. Aquada, aquada. Good. Then we have kwadu, kwadu. So pronounce it together. Kwadu, kwadu. And kwadu means banana. Kwadu, kwadu. Good. Now we move on to the next diagram, which is the k and ye. And they sound as ch, ch. So they sound like ch in English, like chair, children. So ch, ch. So the tree word here is re, re. So put together tre, tre, and it means to teach or to show. Che, che. Then we have another one, which is chini ye, chini ye, chi ni ye. So you pronounce together chini ye, chini ye, chini ye. Good. Then we have the next diagram, which is the and we, but they sound as mwa, 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 mwa. So we have the tree word here, one sina, one sina. So you one sina and one sina, that is housefly. One sina, one sina. Then we have ngoma, ngoma, ngoma. So pronounce it together, ngoma, ngoma. Good. Then the next diagram, which is the and ye, they sound as nye, nye, nye. So we have nyinseng, nyinseng. So pronounce together, nyinseng, nyinseng. Good. Then we have nyane, nyane, nyane. So put together nyane. And nyane means to wake up. Nyane, nyane. Good. Then we go to the next diagram, which is the last diagram. That is ch, 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 ch. So che, re, che, re. So pronounce it together. Tre, tre. And tre means to write. To write. Then we have chain, chain. So the e and sound as n. So chain, chain. And chain means to wait. So you can simply say chain me, which means wait for me. Chain me. Very good. I know you practice along. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Twi Classroom, for more interactive lessons